You are welcome to my Solidworks channel. Lesson 3, Folding Angle Iron. Let's start. Step 1. Create a sketch on front plane. Step 2. Create angle iron. Select the Weldments tab. G1 clearance is 0.5 mm. Modify the size of angle iron. Modify steel V30, 3 mm thick, or 3 mm. Step 3. Create a sheet metal. Select Sheet Metal tab. Select the initial sketch. Create a sheet metal. Direction 1, up to vertex. Select a point here. The thickness is equal to angle iron is 3 mm, R is 3 mm. Sheet metal must coincide with weldments. Reeves or direction. Step 4. Process the model and combine. Draw a circle. Contact at this point. Extruded cut. Reverser direction. The cutting block is angle iron bodies. Insert features combine. The length of the angle iron, not on the main coordinate axes, X, Y, or Z. We need to fix it. The reason I explained in lesson 1. You can watch it again. How to fix as follows. Edit flat pattern. Ray select the fixed face. This face. Now, the length of angle iron follows the x-axis. We can easily customize. Size of angle iron. Resize to 50 angle iron. Thickness is 4 millimeters. R is 4 millimeters. Or is. Resize the side length and angle. Note: the steel plate thickness must be corrected with angle iron. We've added a fillet on this side. Last step, save the step file. And use TubeKit software to cut. We open the TubeKit software. Select the new step file. In the Preview section, an announcement will appear. Identification error. Let's modify the 3D file. Here, cutting section of angle iron. Don't touch the other side of angle iron. So we'll fix it. Create sketch on this plane. A small part of the 0.1 m. Use the extruded command. Direction 1. Select up to surface. Tick the merge to make it a body. The cut does not touch the remaining angle iron edge. We save the step file. Go back to the TubeKit software. Preview the step file received. If you haven't received it yet, you can adjust it. Tube extension is auto or X, Y, Z. Note, you must select Profile. If not select Profile, the cut will be wrong. The cut like this is wrong. The V steel edge has only 2 cutting lines. This is right. Simulation of cutting. Nest and export code. This is the CNC file. Our lesson today has done. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to answer. See you in the next lesson.